Hello and welcome to the LocBox screencast on how to upgrade from the free version of LocBox to the pro version of LocBox. There are essentially two ways that you can do this. One, you can do an in-application purchase, which is the easiest way, or two, you can purchase within your web browser at the e-commerce site and have the license code emailed to you, which you can then enter into the product itself. Here I have the Windows version of LocBox running, and in the toolbar you will see an upgrade button. Clicking that launches a sub-application that belongs to the e-commerce provider that we are using called Kagi. Clicking next brings up the request for the information that we need to do the upgrade, which is namely your full name, an email address, and your country. Clicking next brings you to an order summary that shows you how much you're paying and any applicable taxes. Here's where you can also change what currency that you want to pay in. And finally, the next screen brings you to where you enter in your credit card details. From here, once these are entered, it will confirm the purchase and will then go off like any e-commerce site and verify your credit card details, charge your credit card, and it will send back a license code to the application itself, who will automatically install it and go to the pro version on its own. It will also email you the license code for future reference so that you can have a copy of it for your own records. Now, if you choose to go to the web browser and buy it from the e-commerce site directly that way, here's the URL that you need to go to enter into the e-commerce store for the LocBox. When you go to your browser to this URL, you will see the e-commerce page come up. Here you have the LocBox product itself. Just enter in what quantity you want to buy, add to the cart, and then go through the normal purchasing process. When you purchase through the browser, you will only be getting the email with the license code, which you need to then enter into the product to register and get the product to become pro. I will show you how to do that. In the product itself, you go under the File menu and you choose Enter License. Here you need to enter in the license code that is emailed to you, your full name, and the email address that you used at the time that you purchased the license code. Now that's the Windows version. The Mac version is very much the same. You have the upgrade button. When you press it, it'll ask you whether you want to buy online or buy now. Buy online will just launch your web browser to the e-commerce site that I showed you in the browser just a moment ago. If you click Buy Now, it will do an in-application purchase where it asks you for all the information in one screen, credit card information and such what, and you will eventually have a purchase button once you enter in all the mandatory fields. Clicking that will then go off and verify your credit card, charge your credit card, and then send back the license code to the application, which will automatically go to the pro version. I hope you've enjoyed the screencast. Please check out the other screencasts in the pro series to see what are the differences between the free and the pro versions.